Abusia Ghbigmouth TV sunye. Make sure say unsubscribe here. Kindly subscribe for me and also turn on the notification button. Fabulous hour Jumadi sunye. Yede kotoko ho update and e bro nse me koso club ni mu no. Aye ehintasema abonje so fonte ne dig in na e di bi eden e de abremo. Kumasi Asante Kotoko etimi a draw with Nations FC. Our MTN FA Cup round of 64 ebeba so 28 to 30th November no. Na Kumasi Asante Kotoko kra no obebusa say the last time Kumasi Asante Kotoko esi akan ewo MTN FA Cup round of 64 no edin NC year results no ekowie sen. The last time so Kumasi Asante Kotoko any Nation FC esi akan ewo Nations FC home no ekowie sen 90 minutes ni be wie no sena results ni ye nyina be kai say results no ekowie 2-2 a na very controversial. Into the last Kumasi Asante Kotoko crown isi akan ewo MTN FA Cup mu the last round of 64 no Kotoko etimi wini ana Kotoko elusu ye be sure unsubscribe ya subscribe mame ye de honsem bebe na ba draw yi ebeboa Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana say a bad draw for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. First yemfi echi ana say yembu yonkon vanko echi num say Kumasi Asante Kotoko free MTN FA Cup num LG pa na obeka sa season no round of 64 say na Kumasi Asante Kotoko etimi draw tima ye friend no Aduana FC ene akense ne pempepem so sa na ese eba wie na Kumasi Asante Kotoko edi ento ewo hono ma ntimi unqualify. That was the 2022-2023 season ewo MTN FA Cup no round of 64 ene Aduana etimi share Kumasi Asante Kotoko e ka ba ko a Kumasi Asante Kotoko entimi anti omu free mo. So the last time Kumasi Asante Kotoko ewura muntu MTN FA Cup no omutimi efri mu round of 64 Aduana etimi share ka ba ko. That goal was a penalty omugiti Kumasi Asante Kotoko on the 57th minute ana abranti your friend no Mohammed Alasan na abranti sina kan edema Accra House of Folk and obetimi be join Kumasi Asante Kotoko e call so penalty ema abranti your friend Sam Adams two Frederick Asare Eden two baby grantees. The last time Kumasi Asante Kotoko era into MTN FA Cup mo then omutimi isi akan no omu etimi efri mu round of 64 omantim antwaso this season 2023-2024 season so no MTN FA Cup round of 64 draw ne bae no Kumasi Asante Kotoko etimi then Asian Nations FC Kumasi Asante Kotoko no be pimpim so some matches be about 28 to 30th of November. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebe tenefi no ato ne nsa e da frɛ Nations FC. Ground beto de be na man for e kan wasem ebi busa say is it another lose for Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana is it a win ana say we win because Kotoko betimi e winning amana timi e the spirit na Kumasi Asante Kotoko e like no ababaka na busa me do ba bewuram. The last time Kumasi Asante Kotoko shia no ewo Abraham Kese which is Nations FC omo the stadium hono mo ni epempem so na kense ne ko wie 2-2 no. That day no Kumasi Asante Kotoko first half no Nations FC for take lead ema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebe take na ehye the likes of Kalu Katara Chei Dwamena etimi de enya 2 goals de ma Kotoko na game ne beba wie no na controversial penalty bi esi ye ma Nations FC for etimi take ama sa game no ekoyi 2-2 ho ni nei Nations FC enso ebe priem bayara akopama so. The last time Kumasi Asante Kotoko esi akan bayara akopama so was against Dreams FC Kumasi Asante Kotoko elusu by goal to nil. So Kumasi Asante Kotoko is coming to Babayara again to face a Nations FC MTN FA Cup anymore. So is it going to be a continual lose na you lose no, or Kumasi Asante Kotoko is going to score Nations FC? And me say to prosper na Ogum say if you lose this game again abushe be jana kwan. Because in Timi Kobasi Kumasi Asante Kotoko is going to lose 1, 2, 3. Now the fourth one, but so Derby. Kumasi Asante Kotoko is a big club and a big people that support Kumasi Asante Kotoko. People support Kumasi Asante Kotoko with all their heart. So if Kumasi Asante Kotoko try and handle Nations FC, ebe fa win, will krum hakwa. Yen chuma Dr. Prosperity Ogum crowd ko ba yara ko pamaso. So Kumasi Asante Kotoko need to win against Nations FC to bring that spirit back. That day, no, Prosper Nati Ogum has to select the right players. Prosper Nati Ogum has to select the right players for Kumasi Asante Kotoko to gain their spirit back. Also betimi akyere wadwene e comment section wo. Against Nations FC no, a good draw for Kumasi Asante Kotoko or it's a bad draw for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Mami hu wadwene che e comment section honum. Dwumadi e fabulous make sure say subscribe to channel ya. Subscribe mami. Let turn on the notification button. Say that they Kotoko wons and send you will be the first person abusua wonsa ebeka sa video.